everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I highly appreciate that. So today, still doing the same thing, plugging and switching, just putting in all the plugs and stuff as yesterday. Like I said, USB, regular, thermostats, switches, heaters, and someone was mentioning, I forgot who, sorry, I'm not very good at names or remembering, but someone was asking if I or someone else was digging holes too deep while scraping out the crusties on these boxes. And for the most part, no. Some of them, a few of them, yeah. If you see the paint removed, then that's probably our fault. But if you see a hole in the wall, that's usually their fault. So granted, there were a whole bunch of these just buried in the wall that we had to dig out. So if some of the edges or whatnot got chipped off or whatever, that it is possible that we made a few mistakes, but 95% of the time, if there's an extra hole in the wall on each side of the plate or whatnot, or one side, that's their problem, and if the paint's just missing, that's our fault. So anyways, I realized I was hanging these thermostats upside down. I only got 4 of them done, so I went back and fixed those. Basically, I put the thermostat rotated down here, and then you couldn't read it, so you want to be able to have it when it says 90 on the left as far as it goes. You want to read that, because when it was flipped upside down, it's basically at 40 or 60 or something. So anyways, all the way to the right 41, all the way to the left 90. So those go on top. I was going to mention something, I totally forgot. I think it was going to be in one of my videos. Basically, I'm just going to go make some videos of how to install thermostats, the heaters, the laundry room plugs, and the stove plug, so the dryer and the range or stove plug. So if you guys want to check those out, I'm going to be uploading those soon. Granted, I don't know how many I'll get done today, but I got my tripod set up in the other room now after work. So I'm gonna go do the laundry room one, probably the stove one, and at least the heater. So probably get 3 videos and maybe a 4th one for the thermostat. I don't want to blast you guys with videos, but there's no really point in waiting just to upload them in a later date. Might as well just release them all now and just get them out there, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, that should do it, guys. Just want to give you guys a little update. I did not get to do the panel install, someone else did that. That kind of would have been fun, but anyways, just out here plugging and switching away. Got a little bit more done than I did yesterday, so that's nice. Basically, I didn't run into as many problems as yesterday, or I'm just getting faster. So anyways, I'll take it. It's a win in my book. And I want to run a vacuum up at the end of the day, because every time you're done shoving it in the wall or whatever, you drop a little bit of paint or sheetrock dust from inside the box. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm going to crank out some more videos here with some free content at work. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for those next videos coming up, and see you tomorrow. Check the description for anything else down below, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Oh, one last thing. I'm thinking about buying a capture card, or at least a computer microphone, so when I'm streaming games or doing live streams or whatnot, I can have a computer microphone so I can talk and the live stream won't crash. So let me know if you guys think I should get a capture card, if you're into watching live streams on games, or if I should just get a computer microphone for my computer, and then I can use it to talk, live streams to talk, and also use my webcam to point at the TV and then talk as well. So let me know if I should just get a microphone, or an actual capture card and a microphone, or just a capture card. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. God bless. Peace. All right, guys, so I just spent the last hour, once work ended, I spent the last hour, another extra hour at work making videos. So if you guys could check those out, and also just destroy that like button on every video that I made, I'd appreciate that, guys. That should do it. Have an awesome rest of the day. Peace.